Welcome back to all the students in our class. As we discussed in previous classes about parts of speech. So in parts of speech we discussed 8 different kinds in brief. So today we are going to discuss about the parts of speech in detail. So first number is noun. So now we are going to talk about noun. What is noun? So we talked about yesterday, noun is the name of person, place, animal, things, and feelings or ideas. So today in detail we are talking about the noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. Okay, so they are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. So we can say these proper noun, common noun, collective nouns, material noun, and abstract noun in short form, that is MAPCC, to know easily. So you can easily understand by this MAPCC. So now let's go to proper noun. What is proper noun? So one student, proper noun is the special name of person, place, animal, or thing. So what we understand by this? The name of special person. Okay, name of special person, place, animal, or things. So we can understand more about this by this example. So here, Ram is a doctor. Here in this first example, Ram is name of person. Ram is name of person. So it is the special name. Ram is the special name of person. So that's why Ram is a doctor. So Ram is proper noun. Similarly, next example is here. He is Christian. He is Christian. Yes, Christian is the special name of religion. So Christian is the proper noun. Similarly, I have provided here next example. He lives in America. He lives in America. So this America is the name of place, special name of place. So that's why it is what? Proper noun. Similarly, parrot is a bird. Simple example. Parrot is a bird. Parrot is special name of bird. Okay. So that's why. So parrot is here proper